Next, we will discuss how to produce a visual summary for continuous data. Consider the following data set obtained from recording the heights in inches of 100 semi-professional soccer players. Does this continuous data set look more like a small discrete data or large discrete data? If you had to choose one, it certainly should be the large discrete data. So we are going to need some interval grouping here. Using this step-by-step procedure for interval grouping, we decide that there will be between 15 to 20 classes. Since the smallest value is roughly 60 and the largest value is roughly 75, we compute the range to be approximately 15. So we would choose the class width 1 along with the number of classes equal to 15 to make formulas work out nicer. We're going to settle on the lower limit of the first class to be 59, which define the following classes: 59 to 60, from 60 to 61, from 61 to 62, from 62 to 63, and so on. Now, every entry can be assigned to a single class. And now, we're going to treat it as a qualitative data. To do the tally, we would go through the dataset, and for each entry we would put the tally mark in the class to which that entry belongs. Then we would find the frequencies and the total and use them to compute the relative frequencies to produce the relative frequency distribution table. Now we can turn the frequency distribution table into the frequency histogram. And the relative frequency distribution table into the relative frequency histogram. We discussed how to summarize continuous data. In short, we use interval grouping and treat it similarly to large discrete data.